Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I'm going to read a morning speech on the topic harmful effects of drug addiction. So, without wasting much time, let's begin. Let's write. The youth of today are falling to the evils of drugs. Their moments of joys are limited, and after that, pain and death follow. In this regard, prepare a speech for the morning assembly on the topic harmful effects of drugs in one's life and why it should be avoided by all. The beginning of the speech is given below. Complete it. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, today I am here to talk to you about the harmful effects of, now write, drug addiction. Drug addiction is becoming very common among our youth. Perhaps the youth find this life too tiring and burdensome, and as an escape from it, they take drugs. Very often, love of fun and new thrills makes the beginning. External factors such as peer pressure, family's expectations, failure, rejection, societal pressure, etc., can also lead to drug addiction. Drug addiction is a severe problem all over the world. A person who is addicted cannot resist using them and unable to function correctly without ingesting them. Taking drugs can lead to many health problems such as vomiting, respiratory and lung issues, brain and lung damage, liver and kidney damage. It also affects their family, friends, and work. There are various treatment methods available to treat drug addiction, such as behavioral counseling, medication, treatment of anxiety and depression. In addition to this, we must educate children about the dangers of drugs so that they don't ever try drugs in the first place. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. So with this we have come to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.